Mm-hmm.
And then go to the living room and get some things that are really strong, can't fall down.
Mm-hmm.
Then you make the wall over here, and then you have no bathroom. We don't have a bathroom. If you want a bathroom, leave it like that. If you don't want a bathroom, things like a brick, you have to cut this down and this and this, and you take everything out of the bathroom.
Mm-hmm.
But it's gonna be hard to. Then you have no shower.
Mm-hmm.
Then if you want a bathroom, you just leave it like that.
Uh-huh.
That's all it. You can't get your toilet.
Mm-hmm.
A toilet is sticking on the ground.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, toilets and tubs do not stick on the ground.
Mm.
They stick off of me.
Oh, get everything out of the bathroom.
Mm-hmm.
Put them in the garage. If you have a garage, don't put them. Or if you have a dad's basement, put them down. So your dad has another bathroom for 2 people.
No.
And write women's, men's, like that. And that will be more.
Or
Okay.
who just said that?
Then you open the door. Then you open the door and put some materials that you need inside. That's a secret base that everybody could go through and show everybody. That's not a great base since everybody's gonna mess it up. Look at me go. Ah, you done? The rice is cool. I need some more. More.